Germany one more man penny a year Frank Water IBPM or my Ghana emu and obedru no Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama but Jennifer so man akwaba soronko and so hono mu German aban was share boss 65 million euros or the babe bonu media hodo ekoso man mo se de be yempuntio ebetumi akoso nenso ni nyina mu no wo twen se mrahye bedwafie ye wo German man mu no betumi agye atomo.
German President Edin Strashe abepiemu ewo Ghana enamiensa omampanin John Dramani Mahama kasa wodi tudwa se wo hwe Ghana ne Germany enkabuma eyade a ekoni nimpa wo chirimu a wo mo bekoso ne Germany edin sanwo so pa ne yade abeboa amampuntu aba oman Ghana.
Germany has remained a steadfast and reliable partner supporting Ghana's development through technical and financial cooperation in key sectors such as health, education, vocational and technical training, renewable energy, good governance, and peacekeeping. These interventions have contributed immensely to our institutional development, youth empowerment, and sustainable growth. During our extensive bilateral discussions this morning, President Steinmeier and I reviewed the current state of Ghana-Germany relations with great satisfaction, and we identified new and expanded pathways for our collaboration. We reaffirmed the strong bonds of friendship between our two countries, and these bonds are rooted in mutual respect, shared democratic values, human rights, the rule of law, and a common vision for peace, prosperity, and sustainable development.
Omampini esanso edituo nenim sene Ghana sikasem eko enhihyeya aban no ediegu akwanmu a eye resetting Ghana agenda eko nenim no.
I briefed President Steinmeier thoroughly on Ghana's current economic situation and our resetting Ghana agenda, which aims to restore macroeconomic stability, foster inclusive and sustainable growth, and tackle corruption, improve public financial management, and rebuild investor confidence in our economy. And I'm pleased to report that we're making tangible progress on this agenda, and the early signs are promising.
Afimpinu radio no UN Climate Change Conference penye forward hashe so na Ghana man penye John Dramani Mahama kopie dwumade no ase wode to amanhodo a won mo ehunu amane pan yi ewo niema esenfra ma esensase eho se eho abehia so betumi ateseke bie mu oduru ede yato no se de beye bana se wiem ne sakra won ho enkwakere wo.
Abra mampeni John Dramani Mahama eshia Germany mampeni wadi tudwa se Premtobre Kasee a womo abrochire esika womo de boa ewiemu sakraye kwan a womo befa so akwetia no enam se sankro yi atwe wono ho efi amuanimu ntino eyade a ehadwene pa titiw ene ebibiman Ghana kan ho bi eno ntino wode atudwa se afiwe COP30 ebekoso ewo Brazil eho behia pa se mpenifo ekwa womutimi kabi na emwa etimi eba.
For Africa, our main issue with the COP is that the funding gaps that exist, Africa is the least able to cover those funding gaps, and persistently pledges in terms of assisting with adaptation and in terms of assisting with the whole fight against climate change have not been forthcoming, especially from the global north. We go to COP, pledges are made, but unfortunately we're very short on delivery. And so we will continue to advocate that for the countries that have been the biggest polluters, they should step forward and put the cash up front so that everybody can draw from that fund to be able to ameliorate some of the adverse effects that we have.
Osan editu dwase ewiemu sachae eyade a ehai bibiman pa na honsunsuaso ni bi ene ensuoyiri ejahihye ene de ka ho bi.
Africa is in a peculiar situation because we're suffering some of the most adverse effects of climate change. We have desertification, the Sahara is expanding. We have dry spells. And so rains are unpredictable. We have flooding, we have bushfires, and so many other adverse effects from climate change. And yet, we contributed the least to the current situation that we face. We have tidal waves that are washing away our coastal communities and all that.